Coca-Cola or Coke is an excellent cleaning substitute that can remove dirt and stains on gold. The first step to clean your gold jewelry is to pour Coke into a plastic bowl. Now immerse your gold jewelry for 10 minutes. After soaking your jewelry for 10 minutes, shake the container for several seconds to dissolve dirt, grime, grease, and tarnish. Coke is a highly acidic carbonated drink that can cut through grime, soap scum, and corrosion. Next, scrub away any stubborn stains with a soft-bristled toothbrush. Finally, wash with water, ensuring there's no Coke residue. Pat dry with a soft cloth. It's best not to soak jewelry with gemstones as Coke could loosen up the glue holding the stones. Only soak the metal parts. Now carefully scrub the pendant or stone embellishment with a soft brush dipped in a mild soap solution. Rinse thoroughly with water afterward, and that's it. If you don't have Coke, you can use any other carbonated brown cola like Pepsi to clean your gold.